folks, this is Sammy from MORryde, the Enhancement. Today I'm going to show you a video of a 2022 Thor Four Winds 31 EV. As you can see, it's on an E450 Ford chassis with the new 7.3 engine. I'm going to walk a quick around. We don't have a whole lot of room here, but look at the size of this slide out. Pretty much the whole side comes out. The 4.0 generator is down here, and there is storage. Big one here. I have to grab the phone so I can't open everything. Now I'm gonna duck because I gotta get out of this motorhome. It was raining earlier, so things are a little bit dirty today. Straight rear cap. We have a very nice storage thing here, big. See that? It's very nice. Storage is very important. Barbecue connection. Big awning. This is a really nice gel coat fiberglass. Let me go in. Okay, so here is the cab over area. Huge queen bed. TV swings out. Now, sofa that makes into a bed. It's a jackknife. Nevertheless, makes into a bed with seat belts. Dinette with seat belts. Drawers. See that? And it's a dream dinette, which means you flip this thing, you drop it. I gotta flip it. Here we go. Just drops, makes into a bed with a wireless charger. Walking around to the kitchen area. Not a huge countertop, but it will do. I don't have the sink cover. And let's see, I've got a drawer under the oven, 17-inch oven, kind of small, but it will do. Regular microwave from what I can see. Let's see, yeah, 2022 Thor Four Winds 31 EV. And oops, look at that. Boom, 110 USBs, all secured. And it has these, what do you call those? Full roll down shades. So now here, nice little coat closet. And I've got the solar controller. Battery disconnect. I have rear jacks on this. Power. Oh, this is pretty. Nice spice. And this is the bigger 8 cubic gas and electric. Let me turn it off. Shouldn't be on. Okay, so now we go around this way. And I got 2 bunks with USBs, TV mount, cable, which nobody uses anymore. Bunk down there, and I've got drawers. Same thing here. Across from the bunks, I have a pass-through bathroom. Porcelain toilet. Boom. I told these guys I was locked the darn thing. Will you? Let me just get it. Here we go. Okay, got it. I can go to the bedroom this way. It's a queen bed. Lots of room for the clothes, and above the bed there's a lot of cabinet space. Look at that, deep, very nice. There's an AC in the bedroom. Wait for it. Lights, drawers, and this is the ladder to go on top, and this is the other ladder to go on the outside. Now remember, I told you that's one AC in the bedroom, right? Bam! Second AC. So this unit has 2 ACs in a Class C. That's a very new kind of thing. USBs. And I have the typical Ford dash, the newer with the controllers. Let's see, I'm going to start this up. Okay. And it's got, what is that, 12,000 miles? Hang on, it's going to come in a minute. Here we go. Yep, 12,000 miles. Let me turn this AC down. I have a bunch of icons here. I don't know what these icons do. I think we need the camera icon. Where's the camera icon? Can't even tell, it's just the camera icon. There we go. Overrides it. There we go. There's the camera. Yeah, I think it's a lot easier just to override it. USB-C, USB charging ports here. Dual airbags. I've got an emergency start, which I like about Thor. Thor does an emergency start instead of having to go back there and push the button. Helps you a lot. So turn that off because it's noisy. But there she is. MORryde in Lake Elsinore. Let us know what you think.